Hello traders, today is 30th of March, Monday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. And just before that, I would like to share my trading activities. Today, I personally manage 359 pips altogether. As you can see, today we had it. Good trading day and good analysis and almost bank good pips as compared to the rest of the Mondays. And that's due to the current situation, as we all know, due to the coronavirus. We can see we had such a volatile market, especially in forex market. Okay, this is the breakdown of all of my trades. In the morning, had a few challenges. You can see I lost 70 pips each, 35 pips each trade. And let me show you, because losing is also the part of the game, and I want to show you why I opened that trade. First of all, I was looking in 4 hour. We had a good momentum bullish. Basically, you can see this is the breakout trade pullback, a long trade. Even the price went around about 8-9 pips in profit, and the price respected this resistance and shoot down, and my stop loss hit, which is 35. I normally close my trade as soon as the price break, but we have emergency stop loss, as you can see, at 35 pips. So that's each trade I open have a by default 35 pips stop loss, and that's for the emergency stop loss. Otherwise, we close trades as soon as we see some rejection. But interestingly, and I was lucky enough, I've recovered those pips through another trade, which is the dollar yen. That is the, I can see each trade 35 pips and 36 pips, and then I'll keep opening pullbacks long on same trade. And that's what exactly I mentioned to all of my trades. When you find interesting pair and then maximize your opportunity, buying in or especially selling or buying, it depends on the market condition on pullbacks. So let me share my trade. This is the pullback. As you can see, beautiful pullback, long trade. And I also had a couple of more pullbacks, as you can see here, as the price progressed. And you can see this one 19 pips. This one, as soon as the price created pullback and broke on the previous high, I took another long trade and bank a set and 19 pips on this trade. Okay, so let me explain to you why I have taken that trade in the morning. The price was, if you look at this candle, and price respected the support. We have another support area, which is the big psychological number, and we had it 100 EMA, as you can see, especially when I find this candle hammer rejection, you can see it, and that's what I took a long trades on pullback, and that's what I keep an eye on 4 hour, and that's what I bank such a beautiful pips on dollar yen and recover my losses. And then I was trading another one. My best trade was the short trade on 46 pips. That is the pound yen. And if you look at, this was my opening screenshot, and this is my closing screenshot, and this was the, again, a pullback short trade, and I banked profit as soon as the price hit to the support level. Again, I was keep an eye on 4 hour. I'll show you in a minute. So you can see this price developed double top here. And reason why I was looking in 4 hour, which is I'm going to show you here. 4 hour, as you can see, I explained to my traders that possibility of reversal at this level, but we need a valid technical entry, which I did analysis, and I banked some profit as soon as the price about to hit to the support level. As you can see, the price developing another beautiful pattern, and based on that, I did analysis and I banked such a good pips. Let me show you. This is the analysis I did. So price developed double top as soon as the price broken recent low and develop a pullback. Then I took a short trades and I banked such good pips. As you can see, I opened a two positions, bank some profit. I had it another pullback afterwards. Again, you can see this was in. We had another beautiful breakout and banked some profit. And this analysis was based. This trade was based on just a minute on the analysis which is broadcasted here. Uh, this is the analysis, by the way. Yeah, you can see here, and the price triangle pattern broke out and develop a pullback, and I personally took a trade as soon as the price broke on the 200 EMA and banked such a good pips around about 826 and 18. My last two trades was short on Euro USD. As you can see, this was the after the breakout of this consolidation. I took a pullback short trade, and it was a valid technical pullback short, but the price with a very tight stop loss, as I always mention, that we don't wait to price to hit the stop loss. As soon as we see the price is reversing and we made a wrong decision, or because you know that winning and losing is a part of the game. So as soon as we see that, okay, the price is reversing, we close the trade, and I took that losses 20 minus 20 pips, 10 pips each trade. This was again based on this analysis. As you can see, breakout and price literally broken, and we can see it on about 15-20 pips in profit. So I've decided that we'll take trade on pullback, which basically end up in losing. But end of the day, I managed to squeeze 359 pips. That's count, and based on the current market situation, this is amazing pips, 359 pips today. All right, let's back to the analysis. And I did analysis last night, just after the market open, for the Asian traders. As you can see, we had a beautiful, breakout on dollar Swiss franc. Again, just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with the live RD commentary support. So dollar Swiss franc triangle pattern breakout, beautiful long trade, and Euro USD. As I mentioned to my traders watching in a 4-hour time frame, I explained to my traders, look for another, if the price can respect this level, then we should be looking at counter short trade, and which you can see respect beautiful to pull back short trades on Euro USD. Dollar CAD pretty straightforward, pull back short trade, and pound yen pull back a breakout long trade, and the euro yen, this was the pullback long trade, and we had it another one which I explained to my traders, look for another scaling trade. As you mentioned, as you have seen it, that once I bank some profit, and then I keep adding in trades on the winning trades on the pullbacks. Beautiful underwater breakout, a long trade on euro yen. Euro USD pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout short trade. Kiwi dollar pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout and pullback short trades. Pound dollar breakout and pullback short trade. Pound Swiss franc breakout and pullback short trades. And dollar CAD triangle pattern breakout long trade. Euro pound pretty straightforward breakout, a long trade, and dollar yen. As you can see, this is the beautiful trade I've taken and bank beautiful pips on dollar yen. Euro yen pretty straightforward. This again as the breakout long trade, and pound dollar pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout long trade, and pound yen pretty straightforward. You can see beautiful breakout and pullback long trade, and pound Swiss franc pretty straightforward breakout long trade, and euro USD pretty straightforward breakout beautiful short trade, and euro Swiss franc consolidation breakout short trade, and pound dollar beautiful breakout long short trade, and pound yen, as you have seen that I've taken that trade as well, beautiful pull back after the breakout short trades on pound yen. Pound Swiss franc, beautiful breakout as always after the breakout, beautiful pullback short trades. Euro pound, pretty straightforward counter long trade, and pound yen, pretty straightforward breakout short trade, and dollar yen, beautiful breakout, and after the breakout, beautiful pullback short trade. And dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. We had this breakout, and as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful pullback. We have another beautiful pullback short trade. And pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the triangle pattern breakout. After the breakout, we had a beautiful pullback that give us the confirmation, and we rest of the trade, as you can see, beautiful pullback short trades. Pound dollar, beautiful. You can see this was the flag pattern breakout, and after the breakout, I also mentioned to look for another pullback short trade on pound dollar. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all the trade analysis reviews. And just imagine if you have all these intraday live analysis with the live audio commentary support, and just imagine how many pips you can accumulate. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to watch live intraday analysis in real time with the live audio commentary, most welcome to join our professional trader community at forexeasytrades.com. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the latest analysis. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time with more analysis.